Alright guys, this is Juan here with Tech Your Life, and in today's video we're going to be going over the Samsung Galaxy SMARTTAG. Little device so that you can use to be able to locate those things that you always seem to lose. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so we have the Samsung SMARTTAG. Brand new, just came with my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And so let's check this baby out and see what comes with it. Galaxy SMARTTAG. Oh look, right there. So it looks like it's good for pets, travel, suitcases, and your keys. Right. There it is, Galaxy SMARTTAG. Nothing too fancy. It's actually pretty lightweight. All right, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a screen recording so you guys can see what it looks like to set this thing up. All right, here we go. And we are going to be doing the Samsung SMARTTAG add-on. So what you do is there's a button right there in the middle of the circle that you'll just need to press, and once you do that, your Galaxy will give you a notification just like this. A new device has been found. Add this device to SmartThings. So you're going to say add now. Alright, and then as you can see, it's going to get everything ready. We're going to agree to the terms. Let's get ready with your SMARTTAG. So we're going to start that video. Press the button on the center of your SMARTTAG. Get that little beep there. And as you can see, it says almost there. Your SMARTTAG is being registered to your Samsung account. There it is, it's registered, and now you can actually name it. So I'm gonna name this, let's say Juan's Tag 1. Done. Alright, ring your Galaxy SMARTTAG to help you find it. Use SmartThings with Find. And there it is. It says battery full, updated a minute ago. Let's see. You can actually go to the maps, do where I am. Press this play button above the volume. This thing's actually pretty loud for what it is. And so that is the Samsung Galaxy SMARTTAG. Alright guys, so that is the Samsung Galaxy SMARTTAG. And so there it is right there. So you can take this little device, hook it up to your dog's collar, you can hook it up to your keys, you can hook it up to your luggage. If you're like me and sometimes you lose your wallet, you can just slip this thing inside your wallet, and whenever you lose that item that you're looking at, just press the little button and it'll beep this thing really loud so that you can find it. I can't wait to test this out. I think it's going to be really good. It's going to help me out. It was super easy to connect. If you guys like this content, if you got any value out of it, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And that's the Galaxy SMARTTAG. Don't forget guys, Tech Your Life.